Hello guys, welcome back to DIY creation. Today's video about nail art kit collection. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. You get updated when I post a new video. Now starting with the dotting tool. I got 5 different dotting tools which their dot are different in the size. These pens are so beautiful look-wise and pretty. They are different in shape and also different in color, as you can see. Moving on, the most important thing in nail art kit is nail. Of course, nail is the most important thing. As you can see, I've already used some of nail. I got 100 nail and they are different in shape and size. It can fit in your nail and I will be showing you how it's look in nail. Just wait a minute. As you can see, it totally fit in my nail and it looks so pretty. You can see how much it's different in my real nail versus fake nail. Now moving on to another important thing is nail glue. Of course, if you use artificial nail, then you must be need a glue for sticking. How can it stick in nail? So I got 2 nail glue in this package. Now moving to last but not least, nail art tape. It's look so beautiful and they are different nail art tapes but same in size. They provide beautiful effect in nail and I got around 10 nail art tapes in this package. Now I'm showing you nail art tape without package. You can see how beautiful. The black area is a thickness how thick they are. How small and tiny they are. So it looks so beautiful and pretty and different color and shine. Before moving on last product in this kit, make sure you like, subscribe and press the bell icon. You get updated when I post a new video. Guys, comment down below which nail art you want to see, bridal, non-bridal, guest or simple. Now moving the most beautiful thing in this kit is a bottle. You can see how they are different bottles and they are so beautiful. They are so tiny and look so pretty. I got around 48 bottles in this kit and they all are different. No one be the same. Some are different shape. Some are hard, some glitters, even circle. So you can use it and it looks so pretty and beautiful. So guys, I ordered this one kit from a Flipkart. This is also available in Meesho, Flipkart, Amazon. You can buy anywhere. Well, I buy this one from a Flipkart under 500 rupees. Let me show you some of it. This is a tiny bottle. You can see how much it's tiny. It looks so cute and beautiful. This one is a glitter shining. And the other one you can see it's also very tiny and there are multiple color pills. I think you call it pills. And this one is silver and different shape. You can see how much different, how pretty and beautiful they are. Let me show you all of this. I got total 48 bottles and all 48 are different, as you can see in this video. And they are so beautiful and pretty look wise. That is my entire nail art kit collection. I hope you like this video. Also comment down below which nail art design you want to see in next video. I hope you like this video. Take care. Bye bye.